Hello, hi everyone. My name is Shiva. I'm here to present my demo on mobile application development project Xride Plus. This application is developed by Shiva, myself, and Ashish, my teammate. This application mainly helps university students in tracking their bus locations in real time. And then, what's really cool feature and that differentiates this application from every other app in the market is that we generate alerts to the user based on their class timings and then class schedule information saying that a bus would arrive in his predetermined bus stop on so and so time, so that a student has an option to plan his departures timings prior to the class levels. I'll just quickly walk through our application. So as you can see, we are displaying the bus location in real time in Google Maps. We have used Google Maps API version 2, and we have also used Nextbus web service to get the bus informations in real time and also a list of bus stops associated with a particular route. As you can see, the small markers on the route indicate the bus stops. These indicate the bus stops, and the big markers, black ones, indicate the buses in real time. I have an option to zoom in and as well as zoom out my route. This is the entire route that we fixed to work on, and this application also provides an option to track my present location. I press on this button over here. This is my current location which has been already set. So as I mentioned earlier, this I'll take the inputs from the user, which are the class timings. If I click on options over here, I have an option to add a class and view classes. I'll quickly walk through by adding a class over here. I'll input my class name as mobile application development, and then I select a list of bus stops from the drop down menu, and these bus stops are generated from and read from the map. These are the list of bus stops associated with this particular route. I'll quickly select one, say Dudley station, and then say for example my class starts at around 1:15 on Tuesday. I have an option to specify whether I need a notification for this particular class or not. I click on save. Class details has been saved, and I go back to my settings and then view classes. I'll get all the list of classes that have been added. As you can see, I've recently added a mobile application development class. I can go back and edit my details at any time and then also drop my classes at any time. If I click on this particular class, I get the list of details for this particular class, and then I'll quickly show you delete option. Delete class details deleted. You go back to my list and see that my class 1 has been deleted. So as I said earlier, we generate notifications prior to the class timing saying that the bus would arrive in so and so, timings on so and so destination. Uh, this is how we implement that. When an application starts, we generate a notification service at the background, and we set the notification service to run in a continuous period of in the intervals of every 10 minutes. So it would trigger for every 10 minutes, and what we basically do is read from the local database storage the class timings, and also we read the current system time and then compare it. Less than if class timings is less than the 30 minutes from the current system timings, we start generating the notifications. And let me just quickly show you that the notification service has already been started. Yeah, as you can see that notification service has been started and it's been running for about 3.5 minutes or so. At the end of 10th minute, it takes the information from my local stored database and the class information that I have just given saying that my class would start at around 1:15, and I would get a notification stating that my bus location, arrival and departure timings at Dudley station, which I've just inputted. I'll quickly pause the video for a minute and get back when the notification appears. Welcome back. Yeah, as you can already see that a notification has been generated specifying the bus route name and the arrival timings at the particular stop Dudley station, which has been previously saved in my class location. And I also forgot to mention that the interval time that we set to refresh this map is for every 1 minute. So for every 1 minute the bus locations would be updated and the new positions of the bus locations would be plotted. As you can see, the map has been refreshed and the bus location has moved. In this way we can track the bus locations in real time and also see the way what buses is at which position, and then also we have an option of a notification. And it's not that only displaying a notification, we also included a feature like we display a notification sound whenever notification appears, and also we make the phone to be vibrated when the notification starts. In this way the student would never miss a bus and would never be late to a class. Thank you.